You want to find God. God is in nature. He created our planet. He created the oceans, the birds, the trees we see. You want to find God. Go to nature. That's His home. That He shares with us and we don't even pay rent. So how can we not respect our planet? How can we kill our planet? And the animals, nature, they're just sharing with us and they don't ask for anything. So you want to find God? You don't need to go to churches. I mean, it's valid and beautiful. But find God in His home. Find God in nature. That's where He is. Namaste.